Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of this Dyson V8 Animal Cordless Vacuum. We've had this for a while and I love how I can just leave it on the docking station and keep it charged up, and then when I need it I can just pull it off and use it. This does a really great job at getting all the loose pet hair up. Like, we have cats and dogs in the house and we tend to get little hairballs floating around. So it's just very lightweight, very easy to maneuver and turn around. Does a great job of suctioning. Overall, we've been very happy with this, so this is definitely a vacuum that I would highly recommend.